The pulling straps and T follow the swan dive. We come up, take away the pad, and remove a spring so that we're left with one spring only. In a push-up position, lower yourself to the box, take the straps, and then bring the carriage all the way home so the arms begin out in front. Pull the straps, lifting the powerhouse deeply, and then bringing the arms right to the sides of the legs, open the chest, and lengthen, and then return back home resisting the springs. Again, pull, lifting the powerhouse, bring the shoulders onto the back and spread the chest open, looking up slightly, and then return back home. The chest stays mostly on the box, but we do come up to about the level of the nipple and then really reaching the arms and opening the chest. This is a postural exercise that helps us to stay upright. For the T, slide down to the ends of the straps and then holding on, reach back straight to the hips, taking care to keep the wrists straight. Resist as we return back home, out to the sides, straight into that T position. We do 3 of this one as well. And again, trying not to over kink the neck. It stays long and a part of this long C curve that's opening the chest up. You can see more of this exercise below.